Hi, I'm Bridget Bartley with the Woodrow Wilson Rehabilitation Center, and today I have with me retired Captain of the U.S. Navy, Kathy Wilson. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
You want to tell me a little bit about yourself and your history, your service?
I'd be delighted to. I'm a Navy veteran and just retired on 1 October from the United States Navy. I'm also proud to be a Navy brat. My father was in the United States Navy and actually served on the last sailing ship of the Navy. I'm married to a Navy man, a retired Medical Service Corps officer, and as a native Virginian, I get to come back home, and I'm very blessed in having the opportunity to be the executive director for the Virginia Wounded Warrior Program.
Can you tell me about the Wounded Warrior Program?
I'd be delighted to. The General Assembly in 2008 established the Virginia Wounded Warrior Program and actually funded us with $4.4 million to go out and to create a safety net for all veterans within the Commonwealth. Governor Kane, at one of the earlier conferences that happened a couple years ago, had made a statement that while we can't control what happens to our veterans while they're deployed, we certainly can do everything for them upon their return to the Commonwealth. So in 2008, the General Assembly unanimously voted to establish the Virginia Wounded Warrior Program. And I feel very blessed to be able to continue to pay forward to our veterans. And we're really not limited to just those veterans that are serving in Iraq and Afghanistan, but our program can reach out to all veterans within the Commonwealth, regardless of what time they served.
Can you tell me your mission with the program?
Yes, the Virginia Wounded Warrior Program is designed to provide a safety net for all veterans within the Commonwealth. We're partnering with many different organizations, including the Department of Mental Health, Mental Retardation and Substance Abuse Services, the Department of Rehabilitative Services, and many, many others, so that we can help take all of the resources that we have existing within the Commonwealth and to serve our veterans in a more efficient and effective manner. We're also working very closely with the brain injury services providers, because right now our initial focus is on post-traumatic stress disorder and traumatic brain injury. So we're trying to pull all of the resources available within the Commonwealth to serve our veterans and their family members upon return from deployment, or if they've been in a previous conflict and need assistance, any veteran can come to us for assistance.
Wonderful. Good luck on your mission, and thank you for your years of service.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here with us today.
It's an honor.